Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about encapsulation in Java. So before diving, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then guys please subscribe to my channel. It will help to grow our channel. So let's dive in. So what is encapsulation? So basically it is bundling of data and methods that operate on data by restricting direct access to some components. So, a good example is like a car dashboard. So when you drive a car, you are going to use the steering wheel to drive, but you don't going to uh, access the engine and manually do anything. So it's like that. So this will help to data protection and data integrity. So what happen if we don't use encapsulation? So I'll just give you an example for that. So let's create a class called student. So in here I'm going to have few attributes, public attributes like name, age, and uh, another one for GPA. Okay, so then I have a method to print these values. So if we go to main and create we create a new student object, then here you can see you can assign any value for these attributes. So as long as you assign correct values, it's okay. But the thing is, since we have an encapsulation, here we can assign a wrong value as well, like minus 20 will be into 30.5. These are totally wrong values. Still, we can assign those. But if we have encapsulation, we can restrict these. So now let's take a look how we can achieve encapsulation and get rid of this problem. So first we have to make this private. GPA is also going to be private. So if these are private, then we can't access these attributes like this. We can't directly access them. So we have to provide getters and setters for that. So let's introduce getters and setters. So first we can introduce constructor set like student. So here we are going to get name, age, double GPA. So here we can either directly assign them, but here instead of directly assigning them, I'm going to keep it blank for now. Then I'm going to introduce getters and setters. So in IntelliJ, by double clicking, you can go to generate. Then you can generate getters and setters. So here you can select the variables you need to generate getters and setters. So if you click OK, it will going to generate getters and setters for these variables. So in here, the for setters, I'm going to add some restrictions. So here we are going to set the name. Then I want to check whether this name is not null. It be not null, and going to check whether this name is not empty. So I'm going to first trim and check whether it's not empty. So if it is not empty, then it's okay. I can go ahead and assign that name. So otherwise, that means the int is wrong. So here I'm going to print like invalid name, and you have to the name cannot be null or empty. So that's a restriction I put on when setting name. So like when setting age as well, I'm going to check whether age is a valid, the input age is a valid date. Like it should be greater than 0 and age, like I will say for this, like it should be below 120, assuming that no one will live 120 age. So in that case, I will check that 10 if it okay. I'm going to assign it. The else part again, I'm going to saying it's going to be an invalid. So then when setting GPA as well, I'm going I will check greater than 0 and less than 4, assuming the highest GPA is 4. So then otherwise I will again print an error message. So with these we have put restrictions, so now we can't directly access the variables. So if I am going to create a student, let's see its name is Bob and it is 22 and it is 3.5. So if we run this, we will get the assigned values. Yeah, it's the wrong. The issue is here we haven't called the setters. We need to call our setters because otherwise these values won't get set. No, set name, then set age, then set GPA. Yeah, we need to print those. We need to set those values. Then again, let's run. So here you can see name Bob, page 22 is GPA 3.5. So the values have got set correctly, and if I change this into minus 22 and GPA into minus the minus 3.5 and name to empty, then so if we now check, we are going to get that the name we provide is valid age invalid GPA. So that means we can't now assign such wrong values. So that's the importance of encapsulation. So I think now you have a good understanding why we need encapsulation and how to achieve it. So if you guys learn new thing and if you have any comments, please share it in the comment section. And also guys, like and subscribe to my channel, so that will be very helpful. So that's it for this video guys. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.